couple weeks ago I did a video on pulling out my deck boards of my trailer here. I've got a 16-foot long flatbed trailer and I had to do some structural repairs to the frame underneath it. So I had to pull out about 4 of these planks. So I used my tractor and the bucket that I usually have on the tractor and pop these out. I'll leave a link in the description below of that video. But now I'm to the point where I'm done with the repairs and I want to put the deck boards back in. So I am going to show you how I'm doing it. What I'm using is just my 3-ton floor jack and that tractor, and I've just got an old plank, an old board that I've spanned across the framework there to support the jack, and I sort of bow the plank up with the floor jack. Then I'll come on this end here and I'll take that front portion of the tractor and put some downward pressure on the plank, and it slips it into the rear channel here. I've got some plastic shims just to help guide the board into the channel there so it doesn't hang up. And so far it's been working pretty good. We'll see how it goes. I just put this board here to prop the deck board up, so I had room to get the floor jack under it. So I'll go ahead and jack it up. That gets rid of that board, and I didn't need to go up very high actually to get enough clearance for the end of the board to clear this channel here. And I think we're ready to put the tractor to it. It worked pretty good the first couple times. We'll see how it works in this one. Put that with 2x6 there just to be able to get the jack out. Slide the plank out. Down it goes. Works out pretty good. One more to go. But I think you got the idea. But yeah, it works pretty good. I don't know how it would work on 2x6s. Might work easier, I don't know. Or wet boards. These boards are really dry, so they're pretty brittle. But it worked out pretty good. I'm glad it went in, didn't break anything too bad. So yeah, if you have any other options or suggestions on how to do this different, leave them down in the comments. Until the next one, thanks for hanging out.